Can you put stuff in the microwave? Number 2. Can you put foil in a microwave? The short answer is no. The long answer is no. Okay, hold up and let me explain why. Foil is made of metal, and metal reflects microwaves. This can cause sparks, flames, and even explosions in your microwave. Not only can this damage your microwave, but it can also start a fire in your kitchen. So please, for the love of pizza, do not put foil in your microwave. Use a microwave-safe container instead. Trust me, it's not worth the risk. Next time, can you put glass in the microwave?